Okay. Question number 13 of exercise 7.6. Okay. Now the question says a line is given to us, a line through A3 comma 1. A point is there, A3 comma 1. This is a point given to me. Okay. Now they are saying that a line is passing through this point. A line is passing through this point and it is perpendicular. And this line which is passing from A3 comma 1, this line is perpendicular to another line. This line is perpendicular to another line, x minus 4y equals to 8. Okay? This line passing through a point A3 comma 1 is perpendicular to another line x minus 4y equals to 8. Okay? Now they are saying that the line which is passing from this point perpendicular to this line is intersecting x-axis and y-axis. Okay, is intersecting x-axis and y-axis at some point. I don't know at which point it is going to intersect, but they are saying that it is intersecting at some point on x-axis and some point on y-axis. So let's roughly I have drawn this thing. Now the point where it is intersecting x-axis, they have given us that point as P, right? And the point where it is intersecting y-axis, they have given us as Q. It's just a rough diagram. I'm not saying it is perfectly according to the scale. No, it is not according to the scale. It's just a rough diagram, beta. So now, what they are asking for? They are asking for that we have to find the ratio. We have to find the ratio PA ratio AQ. This I have to find. Okay, I have to find PA ratio AQ means distance of PA, distance of AQ. Okay, I will find those ones and then I will take the ratio to get my answer. So these are the things. Now, the main problem. The main problem is that this is the line which is passing from x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is the line which is passing from x-axis and y-axis. This is the line, but I don't have the equation of the line. I only knew that this line is passing from 3 comma 1. So again, the same scenario which we were doing in the previous question. I will find the gradient, use the gradient to find the gradient of this line. That gradient along with this point will be used to find the equation of line. Okay, this is my first thing I'm telling you. Okay, rest I will tell you later. What I'm going to do first, gradient from this line, negative reciprocal to this one. This negative reciprocal with this point, I will find the equation of this line. This is the only thing which I'm going to do right now. Okay, so starting with this one, x minus 4y equals to 8. Y should be the subject. X minus 8 equals to 4y. X over 4 minus 8 over 4 equals to y. X over 4 minus 2 equals to y. Okay, so what will be the gradient? The gradient will be 1 over 4. Of which line? Of this line. The gradient is coming 1 over 4. Okay. Now this line which is given over here is perpendicular to this line which is passing from A. They are perpendicular. So if the gradient of this line is 1 over 4, what will be the gradient of this line? The gradient of this line will be reciprocal of 1 over 4 will be 4 and negative reciprocal will be minus 1 over minus 4. So the gradient of this line is coming m equals to minus 4 because the gradient of this line was 1 over 4. Okay. Now I am going to find the equation of this line which is intersecting at x-axis and y-axis. I am going to find the equation of this line. How will I find it? We know that the equation of line is y equals to mx plus c. Okay. Now m is given minus 4, x, y. So y is 1, m is minus 4, x is 3 plus c. Okay. So when I am going to simplify it, 1 equals to minus 12 plus c, minus 12 shifted over here. So that will become 13 equals to c. Okay. So for this line, I have got gradient minus 4. I have got y-intercept as 13. What will be the equation of line? Equation of line will be y equals to mx plus c. Plotting my values, y equals to m is minus 4, x plus 13. That is going to be your equation of this line. That is coming y equals to minus m minus 4x plus 13. The equation of this line is coming y equals to minus 4x plus 13. Okay. So I have got the equation of line. Now this line is intersecting x-axis at P, intersecting y-axis at Q. This is the information given in the question. So for P, which is on x-axis. Now I have told you guys, if a coordinate is on x-axis, y is always taken as 0. And if it is on y-axis, then x will be taken as 0. So over here, if I am saying that P is on y-axis, it means P is on x-axis, it means y will be taken 0 where? In this equation. So when I will simplify it, y equals to minus 4 x plus 13, that's the equation of line. When it crosses x-axis, y will be taken as 0, minus 4x plus 13. So 4x equals to 13 and x equals to 13 over 4 and y equals to 0. This is the coordinate of P. This is the coordinate of P which I have got over here. Okay, these are the coordinates of P. Now next thing, Q. Okay, so now for Q, what will happen? Q is on y-axis. Where is Q? Q is on y-axis. So on y-axis, the value of x will be taken as 0. Again, I am going to use the same equation. Y equals to minus 4x plus 13. Now I am going to plot x equals to 0. So y equals to minus 4 into 0 plus 13. When I will simplify it, y will be coming equals to 13. So x equals to 0 and y equals to 13. That is going to be your q coordinates. That is going to be your q coordinates. So now what we have got over here, we have got P and I have got Q over here. Okay. Now what? PA and AQ ratio I have to find. So first of all, I will be finding PA distance formula. Then I will go for AQ distance formula, and then I will take their ratios. Okay. So for PA, what is P coordinate? P coordinates are coming 13 over 4 comma 0, and Q coordinates are coming A coordinates are given 3 comma 1. Okay, so applying my distance formula, under root y2 minus y1 whole square plus then x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay, y2 minus y1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, right? After that, this will be 1 minus 0 will be 1 whole square plus 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 13 minus 1 over 4 whole square. Okay, simplifying it further, 1 square will be 1 and minus 1 over 4 square will be 1 over 16. So when I will finally simplify it, my final answer will be under root 17 over 6. For PA, I am getting under root 17 over 16. Okay? Okay. Next thing. I have to find, I have got PA, now I will go for AQ. What will happen? For AQ. For AQ, so again, A coordinates were 3 comma 1. A coordinates were 3 comma 1. And what were my Q coordinates? My Q coordinates were 0 comma 13. My Q coordinates are 0 comma 13. So simplifying them in the distance formula, y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay, simplifying it. Now 13 minus 1, 12 square plus 0 minus 3 will be minus 3 square okay. Now 12 square will be 144 minus 3 square will be 9. Okay, 12 square will be 144 and minus 3 square will be equals to 9. So when I will simplify it, it will be under root 153. Under root 153. Okay, so I have got PA over here and I have got AQ over here. Now what they are saying? They are saying take their ratios. So what will I do? First of all, PA under root 17 over 16, right? Divided by under root 153. Ratio means I can write them in divide form also. So I've written them in division form. Okay. Now, the most important thing. Now, can I write it like this also, beta? Under root 17 over 16 divided by under root 153. Okay. It's in the ratio form. Instead of writing in ratio form, I've written it in this way. Okay. So when divide sign will be changed into multiply, this will become under root 17 over 16 divide into multiply 1 over under root 153. Now this is in root, this is in root, and in between I have got a multiply sign. So what we can do over here is that we can, this is written, when I will simplify it, so they can be written under one bracket, okay, or under one root, because these two are being divided, this one is being multiplied, so I can write it like this: 17 over 16 multiply by 1 over 153. So simplifying further, 17 1 and 17 9. Okay, so under root 1 over 16 into 9 will be equals to 144, and when I will take the root, the result will be coming 1 over 12, and 1 over 12 can be written as 1 ratio 12, and this is your final answer for APA ratio AQ. They have given us in ratio form, so I have also written it in ratio form, beta.